gosh. Wow! Whoa! All right, buddy, no time to think. Whoa! Let's try to survive. Wow! I gotta move as fast as I can! It's already here! Ugh. Everything's falling apart! Ooh. Yeah, I hope this way works! Let's go! Wow! Let's go this way! Hey! I didn't break a single bone. Okay now, what's next? No, I'm not ready to give up yet. No worries. There's a main road behind these houses. Let's try to get there. Get into the car! Hurry up, babe!
We need to get out of here. Now!
Let's go! Whoa! Did you see that? Oh, watch out!
Ah! Look out! We need to get to a safe space.
Don't panic. We'll get out of here. Look! This is it! Hold on!
Whoa! Here we go!
You still have a chance to swim away.
Whoa! Can't believe we did it!
Congratulations, you're saved. Thankfully, it's just a simulation and no one got hurt.
Come on, let's get out of here. No! No! It can't be! It's a tsunami! Whoa! Hold on tight! We need to go faster! Whoa! It's catching us! We have to get to the land! Look out! It's too late! Brace yourself! This is going to be a bumpy ride! Keep going! We're back in the city? Oh no. Okay, we need to get off this boat. Whoa, that was crazy. Be careful, it's slippery. Go on that roof. Ah! You saved me. I thought I was a goner. We can move along that fence. Go! There's no time to waste! Oh no. We need to get onto that building. We're almost there. Get to the top of the tower. Look, there's a helicopter. That's our ticket out of here. We're safe at last. I can't believe it.
Whoa! Ah! Whoa, that was close, huh? Gotta keep going! Wah! Let's go!
What are we gonna do now? Oh no!
No! Made it! Phew! Wow! He can't help us, Ava. We have to navigate this boat on our own.
Whoa, it's so shaky.
This weather is too stormy for a cruise. Watch your head, babe!
Look,
No time to panic. Let's get out of here.
ouch.
Ava, are you okay?
No worries. I'm all right.
Grab something and hold on tight. You can be washed away by a wave.
Okay. Look out.
Wow. This city is a hot mess.
Careful. Maybe we could try to get on a roof.
Yeah. It's not safe to stay on board. Are you ready?
Yeah.
See this building? We need to get inside.
Ava, where are you? Can you hear me?
Hey, wait for me. Everything's falling apart. It feels a little dizzy. Okay, let's try this way.
Oh, there you are.
Phew. I'm so glad you're okay.
Nice view, huh?
Whoa! Have you ever seen anything like this? No! We need to get out of here. Now! Look out! Ah! Come on! We need to get to a safe space. What are we going to do? Ah! We need to go! Now! We need to hurry up! Please! We have to get out of here! We need to get out of here. Here we go. We made it.